Thinking of buying your first home, in this video we're going to share with you the 3 steps on getting pre-approved coming up. Hi, this is Kai with the Kai Wong Team, helping you better understand everything you need to know about New York City real estate. In this video, I have the honor of introducing you to Scott Nadler with the Home Loan Depot. Scott, how are you doing today?
I'm great. Thanks a lot for having me.
And thank you for being here. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so I am a mortgage loan originator. I've been in the business for about 9 years, and I work with people who are looking to buy a home or those who are looking to refinance or restructure their existing loan.
A lot of first-time home buyers, they don't understand the process on when they should go out to look at properties, getting a pre-approval, and all that. So I wanted to talk to you today about pre-approvals.
Yeah, sure.
What are the 3 steps to them?
Yeah, so before we even get into the 3 steps, I like to compare getting a pre-approval letter to going to a doctor and getting a checkup. We do the same thing on the financial perspective. So we'll go through their whole financial profile to get a better understanding of what they can qualify for. First step is having a 10 to 15 minute conversation with your mortgage loan officer. That person will dive into your income. They'll understand your employment, how you're paid, your assets, where's the money coming from for the down payment, the closing costs, the reserves, and the credit. We'll need to run the credit report to get a better understanding of your debt and your credit scores.
So that's the financial checkup, kind of like the doctor's checkup you just mentioned.
Absolutely.
Got it. So what's step number 2?
Step number 2 is filling out an application and getting a little bit more specific. So we'll have someone fill out an application to go through the specifics of their income, their assets, their credit, get all the information into our system, actually run the credit report itself, and give a deeper dive. So if there are any issues that could potentially prevent that person from getting financing, let's address them now. Let's figure out what those hurdles are, address them, so we can ensure that they can get over any potential hurdles that we may encounter.
What's the time frame we're looking at, from like your first initial 10 to 15 minute conversation to getting their credit checked and everything?
Once someone fills out the application, we could turn a pre-approval letter around in minutes. It's a very quick process.
Got it. So, and what's on the pre-approval itself, just in case people don't know?
The pre-approval letter will state that you qualify for a loan amount of X based on a purchase price of Y. And that's essentially the 3rd step, basically getting them the actual pre-approval letter. There's no limit to how many pre-approval letters we can issue to someone. So initially, someone will come to us and say, we're looking for properties in the $800,000 space. Great. We'll issue them a letter that says they're qualified to buy a place up to $800,000 with a loan amount of, say, $600,000. Their search might change. They might start looking at properties that are $900,000 or properties that are a little bit less. We can alter that letter accordingly.
Is there a cost or anything involved if altering the letter? Do you have to check the credit and everything again?
There's no cost. Once we run the credit once, we don't need to run it again for 120 days. So 4 months, that credit's gonna be valid.
Perfect. Yeah, I have a lot of clients like that too. When we go out and look at a property, they want to put in an offer. Sometimes their pre-approval letter says that they could qualify for $1.2 million, but it's only a $1 million property. They're like, you know what? Let's lower the pre-approval letter so the seller doesn't think we have a lot more room to go about it.
Right. You might not want to show all of your cards up front.
Thank you. Anything else you want to add on to sharing regarding the pre-approval process?
It's never too early to start. Even if you're just thinking about buying a home and you're early on in the process, it's not too early to get that pre-approval letter just to have peace of mind and have a better understanding of what you can qualify for.
How long before you even start going out to look at a property? Are you saying 3 months, 6 months, a year before, just to get a sense of a financial checkup in a way?
Whatever someone's comfortable with. I would say if someone's a year away, that might be a good start to, at minimum, have that 10 to 15 minute conversation with a loan officer. They may not need to run your credit up front, but at least have that interaction to get a better understanding of what you can qualify for.
Thank you so much for being here today. We really appreciate the information you shared.
Thanks a lot for having me.
If you have any other questions, feel free to reach us in the comments below. Let us know what you want to watch in a future video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. On this channel, we share buying, selling tips, market updates, and neighborhood reports. So welcome. See you in the next video. Bye.